In this video, we're going to take a look at activity 3.1.4 while loops and if-else structures for the VEX v5 testbed and VEX code v5. Specifically in this video, we're going to look at part 5b, where we're going to make the servo position itself to the left or the right, depending on whether the optical sensor is covered by our hand. And as a little hint, we're going to use an if-else structure in order to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and move into VEX code v5. We're going to go ahead and go into control, and we're going to build a forever loop. And what we want is that if the optical sensor senses anything, our servo motor is going to turn to different directions. So I'm going to go ahead and build an if condition in here to put inside of the while loop. For the sensing section, we're going to say, does the optical sensor, has it found an object? If it has, then we're going to go up to motion. We're going to spin the servo B to, let's say, 100 degrees. And if it doesn't find an object, we're going to go ahead and spin it to 0, let's say. And that way we can kind of see this effect. So we're going to download, and we're going to hit the run button. So you're going to see the servo already has itself positioned. So if I cover the optical sensor, it goes to position 100. If I take it away, it goes to position 0, and it continues to repeat the behavior, as you can see that. So this has been our part 5b. Again, just checking. We just have the servo position itself to the left or the right. So I'm not really sure left or right is necessarily, either in the up position or the down position in my case. And we can say whether the optical sensor is covered by the hand. We use the if-else structure to do it. And this is what our program looks like. So this finishes out activity 5b. For activity 3.1.4 while loops and if-else structures, part 5b is now done. So once I go through and I'm done with that, I can go ahead and go to File, Save As. I can go ahead and name this over to C, hit save. Once I see that file name change, I can then go ahead and get rid of the program. And we're going to go ahead and move on in the next video to part C and see what we can do with the task description they provide us.